Part 2 of getting this Johnson 9.9 motor to run.
2 weeks ago I tried getting this thing running and it fired a little bit, but I need more parts to actually get it running. Like this ball right here to pump fuel from the tank to the carburetor. I then had to mix fuel 50-to-1 ratio with oil since it's a 2-stroke and needs oil and the gas. Keep the bearings lubed. Now that I have these parts and installed them and put it together, let's see if it works.
Okay, now that I got this motor actually running, it does not want to pump any water, which is a bad thing because it means this motor can overheat. But that's for another video. Thanks for watching.